All right, so my name is Veli-Pekka Ketonen. I'm from 7signal. I'm CTO there. Been there since day one with the company. And I'm going to show you today a mobile app that we have developed recently. This is not yet generally available, but I'm really excited to show you the app. And as well, in your bag, you have information how you can access this app, actually get to join the beta test program. So it's in your bag, so feel free to join the beta program if you like the app and you want to try it. Okay. Okay, so the app itself, it's not only the app really, it's the app and then the back end to the app. And we have an app for Android and iOS devices both. Currently, this is an iOS what I'm showing to you. iOS is further down the road with the development as the Android. Android is following closely as well. So the app, what the app does, it performs a number of different measurements. You can make the app perform continuous measurements or periodic measurements or make single measurement. So then another interesting point on this is that we have a test endpoint which can be put inside your network. So when the app is measuring your network, it's measuring your network, not the internet, towards the internet endpoint. So that allows you to measure only your network and see how fast you can go, how well your network performs. We provide a number of different measurements. We provide ping measurements, throughput measurements with HTTP throughput and TCP throughput, website download time and success rates, and then voice quality measurement with MOS scores calculated with algorithm called PSQA. Then these results are presented against the target threshold, so there is a percentage how close you are to your target threshold, and then you can as well see the absolute values. All right, and then there is the back end as well to this, and I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so we did some measurements. It's just very interesting to see how fast different devices can go. And this is an iPod, latest iPod and iPhone 6. And we got a throughput results of 220 megabits per second and 145 up when we measuring over the internal network. In the middle, you see graphs from the back-end user interface, and on the sides, you see the user interface. Another measurement, similar, here is a round-trip time measurement. We varied artificially the delay in the measurement path, and you can see it follows quite nicely. I guess this is not really a calibration, but it's a proof that it actually measures rather accurately the network performance. Okay, so much about the slideware. Then I want to show you the real thing. Okay. So here is the app. And down there, you can see three selectors. So I'm here in the middle right now in these test controls. So this is the place where you can say that, OK, single test. So it starts running the test, and you can stop the test there. As well, that actually toggles the view. So you can, like if I hit once, it performs all those tests once, and if I hit second time the same button, it will continuously test the network, and then third time, then it will stop the test. Okay. So periodic test, there is another tab, control tab. You can hit that, and then it will perform measurements based on predefined parameters, like test interval, which, on the other hand, can be defined in the up right-hand corner. There is a gear setting where you can see all these parameters for testing. For example, the periodic test interval there is 10 minutes. and then all the other test controls there, including test endpoints. So these all are downloaded automatically from the web service. And when you enter their profile ID, WLPC, it will download the test profile, which can be used for this beta testing. OK, so that's the test control. And it shows one test result, the latest test results in this view. Now I'm going to the Wi-Fi experience view. So there you can see data. And I'm going to change the SSID here to this H8 honors. I had this app running over the night in my room. And this gives you an overall Wi-Fi experience metric, how the Wi-Fi was working overnight. And if I drill down, I can select the ping test, for example, here, and then select ping test round-trip time. So I get to see the hourly average round-trip times over the night towards the Google website or the Twitter website here. OK, so this is the ping test. Then I can go into the throughput by selecting the throughput, and then I get to see the throughputs. And I'm selecting TCP downlink throughput. This is how the OK, great. That's nice. Good to get messages, so I hope you all got that. So. All right. So this is the throughput over the night. So you can see, actually, it's starting, I think, like 4 o'clock in the morning. And then in the morning hours, from 7 till 10, it was on red, which is below 5 megabit per second. And then it got back to the green. And I can see all these by selecting the different tabs here, different measurements. I'm going to next go to voice quality, since this is quite interesting. Here is the voice quality in the MOS scores. I can scroll down here. I can see, for example, jitter values and packet loss values for the same. OK, so this is the app side. And then the other part of this solution is the back end here. And I can log in here. And it zooms in me to this same region where I am. So my data is here. I use the map to select the area from where I want to see the data here. So I seem to have data from the airport, where I performed yesterday some measurements, and then from this site here. So I can zoom in here. I can see where we are, and I guess my room is somewhere there. I can then say that, OK, so satellite picture, and get to see where the data is from. So then you can see the same metrics here. So ping, throughput, web page download, and voice quality. And I can drill into these, like I can drill in the app. I can drill into these here, the throughput, and then I get to see the absolute values, like here. I can see that, for example, throughputs here, 6 o'clock, they significantly came down, and then they recovered by 11 o'clock quite a bit. So I can, see more details by clicking this. So I can choose along a history, what I want to see as a timeline here, or different networks, SSIDs, which have been measured in this area. As well, I can search and compare SSIDs, PSSIDs, compare device names. And for example, if I start typing here, let's see. No results, OK. It should, you can search with your device name there. Obviously, this is not working. Let me see. Device IDs. Well, this is my device ID. I can compare different devices and see how they were performing, and then I get 2 graphs. Now, currently, I have data only from one device here. But if I have more, like if you want to try this, then all the data will go to this one common account, and you can see each other's data. So that's how this beta testing program will work. So if you want to try this out, you have this kind of notice in your back. It's there in the back. There is information how you can join the beta testing program. And you get to load the app. That's through a test flight, which is an application which is used to deliver the beta phase apps for iOS. And Android version is coming up as well. So if you have an Android, please sign up as well. And immediately when we have the version available, then you can get to use the Android version. So you get access with this beta testing, you get access to the app and as well to the back-end cloud services, both of them. So that's all. Thank you.